Hola bonitas, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited, bonitas, because I am going to be doing a unboxing, and this isn't just any unboxing. This is a beauty lifestyle unboxing. I have this huge box from FabFitFun, bonitas, ven esto? And I'm so excited, especially because this year is my first year moving out of my parents' house, having my own place, mi casita. So it's so fun to receive boxes like this where I'm able to pick different things for my place. I'm gonna share with you guys what I selected in this FabFitFun box. This is always something that I wanna try out. So I'm so excited that FabFitFun partnered with me because I'm ready to show you guys what this winter box has, because this box has some good stuff. So what makes a subscription box so cool, bonitas, is that this box, you get to pick 6 full-size items. They can range from anything from beauty to lifestyle to home stuff, just anything that you can think of. You select your choices, 6 of them, and then you get them 4 times a year for every season. You get a box that's valued up to $300. So you get a lot of good stuff for a really good deal. The seasonal membership is $69.99 per quarter. The annual membership is $219.99, which means that for each box, you get it for $55. So you get it for a little bit less than you would if you go by season. So this season, FabFitFun's offering 2 separate promotions, one for 20% off your first box, and the second promotion gets you a $200 plus surprise gift when you sign up for the annual one. So those 2 promotions are really, really nice. And I do have a coupon code for both of these promotions. The 20% off seasonal, it is Mexican Beauty. And then when you sign up for the annual one and you get your $200 surprise gift, it is Mexican Beauty Gift. So those are the promotions, bonitas. So let's just go ahead and get into this winter box because I want to share all the things that I picked up. Ya saben, bonitas, I love a good unboxing. Okay, so the first item in my box that I picked out was the Unhide blanket, and I wanted this blanket because these brown tones match my aesthetic in my apartment, and I feel like who doesn't love a cozy blanket for the winter time? Especially we're spending so much time in casita at home, so I want something that's just going to be the cozy vibes, something that's just going to be really, really nice and warm, but something that's also practical and easy. As you guys can see, so the quality, this is so soft, like very, very soft material, and the retail value for this item is $69. So this is not cheap, okay? This is not cheap. So the fact that this already is at the value of how much you would pay seasonally for this subscription is insane. This is just one item of all 6 items that we're gonna talk about. I cannot wait to put this over me on the couch, watch Housewives, or watch whatever show that I wanna put on, drinking mi cafecito, or even like some hot chocolate, chocolate abuelita. This is gonna be a vibe for the winter. So this is a must, a complete must. It's just such a nice fuzzy little blanket. Who doesn't love a good cozy fuzzy blanket? I know I do. Next up, we have to talk about these items right here. I'm so excited because I have been fully in my cooking era ever since I moved into my apartment. I love cooking. I find any recipe and I'm all about it with my boyfriend. We're like cooking it up. So I am just very excited about these right here. So this is a little set. These are from the brand Brocc Your Body. This is a mini round ceramic coquette set. So these are perfect for a little soup, una sopita. This is definitely soup season loading. I also like the fact that they're small. Like I said, I live in a small space, so I don't have that much space to have like these big items, so I really do appreciate some smaller sets. I feel like I could also like make, I don't know, some sweet dish in here, like something sweet. I'm gonna have to look up recipes because now I'm hungry. So I just like the fact that also they come in 2 different colors. I feel like these are definitely some nice winter tones. We have like that nice green shade, and then we have like this cream shade, and you can differentiate in case you are cooking 2 different things. These are oven safe, up to 375 degrees. These do retail for $48, so they look like that, and they just fit everything in here. Okay, next up, we have a hair product. This is the Aveda Be Curly Advanced Curl Enhancer Cream, Se Ve Así, and this one retails for $36. As you can see, I have naturally very wavy hair. I do have like some curls in there. I love a good curl cream. Most times I like to leave my hair natural. as much as possible, because I feel like my hair with the heat, sometimes I don't want all that heat, you know? So I really do appreciate a good curl cream. I'm actually almost running out of the one that I currently have now, so I'm very excited to have a new one. And Aveda's a great brand. It smells delicious. I love a good smelling product. Just very fresh scent. So it's the Curl Enhancer Cream. It defines, fights frizz, and adds shine, which I love. That's one of the main reasons I like to use curl creams, because if I don't use a curl cream and I leave my hair natural, it's like poof, you know? So I like the fact that it fights the frizz, it defines the curls, the waves, and it also adds that shine so that the hair can just look really nice and healthy. So very excited about this one. Okay, next up, Lemme Glow by Lemme. You guys know Lemme is a supplement company, and I've tried several of their supplements and I really enjoy them. This is one that I've been really wanting to try, the Lemme Glow, because it's for hair, skin, and nails. I love a good hair supplement because I like to keep my hair as healthy as possible. I also have been wanting to grow it out, so I just feel like having something like this is fantastic. This does contain biotin and collagen with pro-retinol formula. Anything that's like collagen for the skin, I am all about. So I'm very excited about this. Another thing that I really do like about Lemme, because I have tried them before, is that their supplements taste really good. Like their gummies, they're delicious. Like they're like a little sweet treat for me. And this one does retail for $30. Okay, next up we have something else for the kitchen, and that is Fly by Jing. This is a Sichuan chili crisp, a savory, crunchy hot sauce that you'll find yourself putting on everything. When I saw this, I'm like, oh, absolutely. I love a good hot sauce. Like I put hot sauce on everything. If I don't have hot sauce on something, it just doesn't taste the same as it does with hot sauce. So when I saw this, I was like, absolutely. It says here that you can put it on dumplings, pizza, ice cream. I don't know about that one. I don't know about the ice cream, but I love that you can put this on everything. I feel like this would be great on top of a salad. I've been seeing all those recipes of like the cucumbers and like the chili sauce, like all that stuff. So I'm like, I need to do this. So I'm looking forward to this because this is, I just know it's gonna be so good. Anytime that I saw like cooking items or things from my kitchen, I was like, oh, esto lo quiero, I want this. So yeah, I think it's so great. It's fun, you know, that you're able to pick from so many different things, including things that you can eat. And this one does retail for $15. Okay, bonitas, last but not least, of course, you guys know my core. My core is beauty, so I had to pick out a beauty product. So for me, I wanted to try out these Tower 28 lip balms, and I am a big fan of Tower 28. I love their products. They have great stuff. So I was like, I feel like these lip balms are really nice. You get a bundle of 2, and I feel like these are perfect for like every day, putting them in the purse. So the fact that you get this nice little bundle and you get 2 of them, you can try them out, is fantastic. Look at the colors. They look so pretty. These do retail for $32. We have Mix and Shake. You can see very natural consistency, a nice glossy consistency. So if you like something with like a sheer tint, then I think you'll really like these. They're very beautiful. Do they have a scent? No, I don't smell anything. But no, these are really pretty. Yeah, these are definitely like perfect everyday running errands type of product. So I'm very excited about these. But that was the last product, bonitas. I literally am so happy with everything that I received in my FabFitFun box. And I'm so excited about this opportunity because you guys know, like getting a package in the mail is always so much fun. Like you're like, oh my gosh, where's my package? And then you get it and you're like, the unboxing of it is so fun. And that's one of the reasons why I was so excited to do this, because it's like sharing that excitement of opening up your box on camera. I was just like, I cannot wait to share this con mis bonitas. And I just love the fact that you get to pick what goes in this box. You get to curate your box to fit your needs, to fit your space, to fit all those things. So for me, that's like a huge thing. And that's why I'm always like super intrigued about these FabFitFun boxes. And I love watching the videos because I'm like, ooh, what did you get? I'm like nosy. I'm like, what do we get? I want to see. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and you'll definitely see me using these items. I cannot wait to use these little soup bowls in my oven because they are so cute, and like just opening them up and then eating your sopita, like por favor. I'm excited. That is what I have. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Lets me know to continue doing estos videos para mis bonitas. Also, thank you so much FabFitFun for partnering up with me on this video. So this was such a fun partnership for me to do. And who doesn't love a fun box like this for the holiday season? Can you believe it? We're almost at the end of the year. Okay, bonitas. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know down below which one of these items was your favorite item from the box. What would you put in your box? Also, everything will be down below in my description box. You can check out the options that you have to select your box. Also my promo codes, which I mentioned earlier. All that fun stuff is in the description box, but that's pretty much it. So I hope you bonitas have a fabulous day. Don't forget to stay safe, stay blessed, and stay beautiful. Y nos vemos pronto. Adiós, bonitas.